Hello, people
what's
of America. Yeah, America. These are our puppies again, because that's not the first video. So here,
yeah, so listen, you have to be more creative.
we are creative. Remember the last time, the pudding wars, or like the peanut butter? Only little creative. Okay, so that's Coco again. This is Charlie, Teacup. Chihuahua. Chihuahua. Okay, now we're gonna have them fight like this. Say this, like dun dun. Cue music. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun,
He doesn't like this.
dun.
He hates fighting.
Okay. So next, we're gonna see how
He's
big.
just lazy.
Oh, Sonny, bring him over here. We're gonna see which one's ear is bigger.
Of course his.
Well, just wait.
Well, I don't think so.
Okay, come on. Over here.
Dun, dun.
Over here. Bring him over here!
Huh?
Bring this thing over here. Well, I don't got all day. Ah! Okay. Fuck. Yeah. Charlie wins. Okay, there.
Give me that Coco.
Okay, so we have like a red collar for Charlie, because we got to like the Fresno Fair, whatever the crap. And that one, we just had it from our grandma's house. I took it, and I took it. Shut up. His tail's so small, but his tail so big and fat. In other words,
full color
sick. I think Charlie.
The Coco has brown, light eyes.
And Charlie has black. No, we still have more stuff. Charlie's fingernails, when you get on top of them, they're so long.
He
That's
keeps
your close up on this.
He keeps me cozy under that because he feels cold.
Look at his nails. They're so big. We gotta go trim them. His nails, in other words, are, we color them purple. Here, I'll take them.
Like, I don't show you. No, I don't Coco.
Oh my god, because sometimes when you carry him, he pees, and that's not cool. I think he gets like nervous, and he makes like a ponytail when we pet him, like a kitty. I like to call him Mr. Whiskers. See, I love the whiskers. But he's really calm. Look at his tail cool. His tail don't. It's just flat and plain. He looks stupid. Let's see.
Look at his little nose.
Oh, his little nose. It's never really moist. He doesn't lick anyone. But Charlie, like, he licks, bites.
See, look at it.
He's yawning. Oh, how cute.
Ow!
Oh.
Look at his teeth.
He has chubby cheeks. He weighs like 5 pounds or something. 6 pounds. 7 pounds.
We didn't have any food for them, so we fed them KFC.
Chicken.
Have the KFC over there.
Oh,
The camera.
like the popcorn stuff? The popcorn chicken. He has this collar for a while, so I think he has a little stuff right there. His hair went down. Of course, all dogs are like that. But when you pet it, it turns lighter.
I know.
Oh, look, it's gray. It's a gray spot. So whenever you pet him and he gets on top of you for a while, his hair sheds.
He has white right here.
He's like a chinchilla.
He's like an ice cream cone.
Ice cream cone? How's it an ice cream cone?
Because it's white and yellow.
Eyebrows.
Oh, this is eyebrows just like his father.
His father. He's a little wet. Hi, Mom. Again. Hi, Mom. Again. No. I still want to. So let's watch some wrestle again. Puppy! Come here. Come here. Come here. Ah. I got chills. Okay, let's wrestle again. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Okay, that's it. Bye. It's still funny.